This tutorial shows you how to disable the privacy indicator by managing app permissions. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Privacy. Now, tap on Permission Manager to view all app permissions. Moving forward, tap on Camera to see which apps have camera access. Afterwards, scroll through the list to find apps that are currently using your camera in the background. In addition to that, tap on any app you want to stop from accessing the camera. Once there, select Don't Allow to revoke camera permission for that app. Subsequently, go back to Permission Manager and repeat the same for microphone permissions. Moreover, find apps using the microphone and set them to Don't Allow as well. Afterwards, the green dot indicator will disappear once no apps are actively using your camera or mic. Then, in my case, the green dot is showing because I'm screen recording this tutorial right now. And that's it. If this green dot privacy guide helped you control app permissions, give it a like, subscribe for more Android privacy tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.